Hey there and welcome back to Deluxe Detailed. Okay, so we're in the middle of a lockdown here in Melbourne, as you might know. So I thought I'd put together a couple of quick videos just to show you and remind you about all the amazing work we're doing. You may have seen my videos before, but what we're going to see today is a Subaru Outback. I'm going to do a ceramic coat on this car today, and that will be all of the paint and all of the glass on the outside of the car. A real thing to consider here is this customer managed to get me this car pretty much straight after it was purchased. It's never been washed, it's hardly been driven on the road, so it's in great condition, and that really will make a massive difference when it comes to ceramic coating the car. So we'll get around today, I'll show you a little bit of how I do it, a little bit of what's involved, and then of course the finished product. So I hope you enjoy what you see here today, and please don't forget you can go back through our back catalogue and check out all the work we've done before. There's up to 80 clips on YouTube showing all the different services and different things that we can offer and problems we can solve for you as far as cleaning, maintaining and protecting your cargoes here at Deluxe. Thanks for watching.